Okay class, it's time to go to gym. I need everyone to line up for gym.
Okay class, today we're going to play basketball.
Excuse me, Mr. Patusky.
What is it, Classic Caillou?
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Sure, but hurry up.
I can't be live, you always fall for it. I'm going to pull the fire alarm as a prank for April Fools. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, that is seriously in danger.
Wait, where's the fire?
I'm afraid that was a false alarm. Let me go check the security camera to see who pulled in. It was Classic Caillou.
Oh my god, Classic Caillou is in a lot of hot water now.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Patusky and Classic Caillou's parents. We're all here in Suck No Notices.
No problem, Mrs. Clementine.
Anyways, what did Classic Caillou do? I hope it wasn't very rough.
Actually, it was quite rough. Classic Caillou pulled a fire alarm today. His consequences will include a regular Wednesday and Friday talk with the counselor, 45-minute detentions every day, summer school, and 2-week suspensions.
Oh my god, when we get home, Classic Caillou is so freaking gotta get it. Oh whoa 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 whoa. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm in school today? Why would you do that?
But Mom, Dad, it's because it's April Fool's Day. I thought it was a funny prank.
Funny? Do you think pulling the fire alarm is funny? We have to take the fire alarm way too seriously. That's it, young man. You are grounded for 4 months. Go to your room RIGTH now and don't come out until we say so.
Screw you. Well guys, do you enjoy my first full video of Classic Caillou Gets Grounded? Like, subscribe and comment.